Morning. Oh, I don't know if you can hear me. It's a fucking wet day today. Anyways, day in the life here. I don't know, growing up, I always used to love physics. And the problem with the physics is you struggle forever to unwrap it, and then more importantly, eventually just give up and eat it with the candy. But then today I came across this Amazon sweets. It's basically the same like the fizz, like here's a strawberry, watermelon, and what's the other one? Grape, but it tastes cackling. It's the same like the fizz, but far better. I definitely recommend it. You try it out. I have no idea where you buy it. I got it for free. I took it. But anyways, that's another story. Yeah, cold. Anyways, I hope everyone is safe, staying warm, and no traffic. I haven't been in traffic for a while, but this morning, fuck my life. Anyways, be safe out there, guys. Love, light, and happiness, and as always, stay true to thyself.